either and neither. Both are used quite frequently in our daily communication. Both can be pronounced as either and neither in British English and either and neither in American. In this grammar tip, I'll quickly take you through how to use either and neither as pronoun and conjunction. When either or neither acts as a distributive pronoun in a sentence, it talks about one of the two persons, things, choices, or possibilities. Since it refers to one person, thing, choice, or possibility at a time, it always takes a singular noun and a singular verb. Let's see some sentences. Either road leads to the destination. Either restaurant offers a relaxed ambience and delectable cuisines. Either dress is suitable for you. Neither room looks clean and tidy. Neither player realizes his true potential. Neither of the two wants to miss out on the presentation. Either and neither can also come before a pronoun and a plural countable noun with determiners the, these and those, or possessives my, your, his, her, our and their. In that case, the sentence pattern will be either or neither plus preposition of plus pronoun or a plural countable noun plus a singular verb. Please remember, verb remains singular even in this pattern. Let's see some examples. Neither of the players wants to lose the toss. Either of them is competent to give the presentation. Neither of your friends is visible in the party. Either of you is qualified to work on the project. Always remember, either and neither take a singular verb, as both talk about one of the two persons, things, choices, or possibilities at a time. In case there are more than two persons or things involved, use pronoun any instead of either and none instead of neither. Let's see some examples. None of the three answers is correct. Any of the 5 books is good for you. None of the band members has stopped performing. Any of these vegetables is good for your health. When we use either and neither as conjunction with or and nor respectively, we have to be careful with the verb as it can be either singular or plural. There are two subjects separated by either and or and neither and nor. The verb will therefore agree with the subject nearer to it. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. Neither Martha nor her colleagues want to leave the meeting midway. Either they or I am going to give the presentation. Neither the coach nor the players are taking the next match lightly. Either Steve or we have to finish the job. In such sentences, it's better to keep the plural subject after or and nor. So friends, that's it in this grammar tip. I hope now you will use either and neither quite confidently and correctly. I'll be back with you soon with some more useful information from the world of grammar. Till then, keep learning and keep improving. Goodbye.